Hello survivalists, as you all know I'm Wild Child Survival, and today I'm here showing you how you can make a pocket survival kit from a fidget spinner tin. Now some fidget spinners come in these tins, like this one did, but they're really old, so I don't really care. Get out of here, fidget spinner. But I'm going to show you how you can make a survival kit from a fidget spinner tin. Let's get into it. Okay, survivalists. So now I'm going to show you how you can, how I would arrange my survival kit. You can obviously arrange it however you like, but this is how I will arrange it. So, yeah, so I'm just going to bring it down here now to make it. So, I would grab my tin and I would put my matches in here like that, and I would grab my match bit lighter underneath it like that, and so I'll grab the power cord and put it in the corner. So when I was actually putting this together, I was surprised how long the power cord was, and I could fit it, and how I made it fit in there. Compass, I would put it on top of the matches, just below the power cord. A key here, and then pencil, put it on the end so you have quick and good access to it. I would put my whistle in there, or if you want, you can attach it here on to your t-shirt or jacket or something, and you can blow just like that. But for the time being, I'll put it in here. And my cotton for lighting the fire to make the flames. So yeah, that's how I would do it, and then I will put the lid on top like that. So that's how I would arrange it. Now I can put it in my pocket like that and take it anywhere on the go. So when you use the matches, you're gonna want to use your cotton. You see, I have my match stick and the light of it, but you're gonna want to take a bit of your, you want to take a little bit off your cotton, so you could have from 2 pieces of cotton balls you could make about 4 fires. But remember, if you're a kid, remember to do this under supervision. So I would grab my cotton ball and I would fluff it up a bit, not in one big bunch, and I would grab my match. I would hold it and I would then strike it and put that on fire, just like that. So yeah, that's what I would do. So I'll blow it out now. There, out. And the good thing is, you can, if you're just lighting like a little bit of corn like that, just tap down on the con like that to put the fire out. With your matchstick, you can put it in the bin afterwards. But remember, you keep this bit to reuse it on the other matches. Next up is power cord. So you would basically use power cord for, I don't know, maybe a washing line. If if there's one not nearby you, you could use it as a temporary rope in case your rope comes off your tent and you need it to stay down. You could also use the power cord to tie up your kayak if you're just stopping off somewhere. But let me know in the comments what you would use your power cord for. So yeah. So what you would basically use a compass for is navigating, but depending on if you're in the southern hemisphere or the northern hemisphere, the compass changes the north and south. So I believe it will be opposite directions. So yeah, that's what you would use a compass for, navigating, which is most likely what I would always use a compass for. So yeah. Next up we have the key. You would basically use a key to open up your front door, but in a survival situation, you could use your key for cutting. You could cut some bark or something, like I am right now, to make a 3-stick trap. Yeah, so that's what you would use a key for, mainly in a survival situation. Next up, we have the whistle. You want a whistle that fits, and you want a long range one. This one goes 1 kilometer, 1,000 meters. Um, and it's really good because I can clip it onto myself like this, and if I need to, I can go to make some noise and maybe give out a signal and make some attention. So yeah, that's why you would always pack a whistle and try and make it as loud and as far hearing as possible. Next up we have the pencil, not a piece of bark, a pencil. So you could use the pencil for writing messages on a piece of bark, for example, help me, like that. But I will have to experiment this in another video on this channel. If you could, if you rub a pencil on a piece of bark, you could maybe light a fire. I'll try both sides, so that would be a good video to experiment on. But yeah, survivalists, that's it for today. Hope you enjoy the video, survivalists, and see you later. Bye! Okay, survivalists, I forgot one more thing. I forgot to do a waterproof test. So you always have to have your survival kit waterproof. I don't think this will be waterproof, but this is a really old tin. So because I'm doing this waterproof test, I took all my stuff out because I don't want to get it ruined and then have to replace some of it. So I'm just going to grab one piece of cotton and put it inside. Most likely it won't be waterproof. Now let's change the views. So survival kit right here. I'm going to drop it in, and if you see bubbles, it's a sign that it's not waterproof. But I'm gonna, yep, there's bubbles coming out of it, but it does float. Yeah, I think it's not gonna be waterproof. Yeah, there's bubbles coming out of the plastic lid. That's probably a simple fix. I could probably put some really good tape around it. But now I'm gonna open it up. Yep, this has a ton of water in. Already, I'm just gonna clean this and I'll quickly. Yep, this is not gonna work. Yep, it didn't work because the cotton, it is all wet. You can see water coming out of it. But I will try and fix that problem. Maybe tie in some tape. Oh yeah, I see where the problem is with the tin. You see, if I quickly wipe this up, you see here, there's like on the edges, there's all these marks, and on the inside, there's like little gaps there. That's, I think, where the problem is wrong. Yeah, I see little gaps between it. But yeah, thanks survivors for watching. Wild Child out.